Good morning, everyone. I'm lying. It's 11:17 actually. And I have an adventure and a goal today. One, I have to get into New York City. But the main issue right now is that it's 12 degrees right now with a low of like 3 today. Yesterday was literally -1 degrees. And what I'm doing is I want to run to B&H, obviously, because I love camera stuff. And I'm going to trade in some stuff to get a new bag. That's not the main purpose of the vlog. But ever since Casey said this,
Juice place I used to come to in like every single episode. My buddy owns this place. Check this out. I've got my own Juicepress hot sauce.
I've wanted to try his hot sauce. I'm a fan of hot ones, and it's just a great show, and I'm always hungry, of course. So I was gonna go get some wings, but my journey is to go there, go to some Juicepress. Hopefully they have it within walking distance so I don't really freeze to death out there. Like, it is the type of cold where you just want to punch yourself in the face as soon as you walk out the door type of cold. But that's the goal. New York, B&H, and then trying to find a Juicepress with this stuff. Come back home, get some great wings, douse that in this Casey sauce, and give you a little taste test. I do have an important choice to make. Do I go with the black Oakleys? Do I go with my more colorful ones right here? I like those. Or do I go kind of with my hipstery ones right there? I think I'm gonna go with these today. Let's do that. We have now made it to New York City, and essentially what I'm doing is right now, here you go, B&H right there. I'm gonna go trade in some stuff. Well, actually, I already did trade in some stuff. It was just heavy to carry around. Like I said, I wanna upgrade some camera bags, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's head into B&H and check that off the checklist. So I just walked out of B&H and I got exactly what I needed. Checklist number 2, a new backpack. I got the Think Tank Airport Commuter, accomplish number 2. Now let's walk over to Juicepress and hope, because it is cold out, that we can grab the Casey sauce. If you've never been to B&H, you gotta go. And as they say, you gotta go in B&H. This is not sponsored, but if someone's from B&H is watching, tap me on the shoulder. Just to get to this one Juicepress, it's taking a million years. There's a million elevators. It's on the 8th floor. But this is pretty cool. I think I said elevators. I meant escalators. There was like a million of them. But now we're here.
Just restocked today, actually.
Yes.
Right here.
Here it is. Found them. So that is a mission accomplished. Let's take an Uber back home. I'm going to go back to Jersey, get some wings, open this up, and see if it's good. Casey? Your face is on it. So we are back in my apartment and I have the sauce right here. And once again, I'm just gonna throw in some in this bowl right here, shake them around, do a little taste test right over there, and we'll see how good this is. Now, I was talking to the worker from Juicepress, which is where they sell this stuff. It's like $5 a piece too, it's really cheap. They said this sold rather well even before it started to get branded like this. And now it's selling even more, and hence why I bought some as well. But what are some of the ingredients in this? One, this is organic. Pretty cool. Juicepress is a very like health conscious friendly place. Red jalapeno pepper, habanero pepper, vinegar, and sea salt. And this is called gluten-free spicy habanero, with Casey making, you know, a face. There you go right here. I'm hot, blah, blah, blah. So I got some wings right here. Let's throw some in the bowl, mix it around, and give it a little hot one spin. Here we go. I've got the wings right here. I'm going to give it a test and we'll see how it goes. I'm a big fan of like a sriracha. I'll even do like the Texas Pete type of stuff. So we'll see how this spicy habanero treats, and we will go from there. So we'll have some of this camera, this camera, this camera, and we will dive in. Now, Casey did a hell of a job in that Hot Ones episode, by the way. I'll link that down below, but millions of people already saw it. Well, I had to go out and get some good wings, so let's dive in. And if you guys even don't believe me that I have it on here, I'll even do a little bit more on camera. It's a nice little drip. You know, put it on there. And there you go. I even mixed it in there in the bowl you saw. And let's dive in. A little bit of Casey wing review. How's it gonna taste? Let's see. And I will be honest, if I don't like it, I won't like it. I'm not, Casey ain't paying me to say this, neither is Juicepress, but let's see. Okay, that's a nice little even taste as it goes in. It does instantly a little bit spicy, a little bit hot though. You definitely taste the habanero. Let's keep going. $5. That's not a bad thing. Let's you know, there's no really bad kick. Lingers in the throat just a little bit. Lips are fine, mouth is fine. Let's try another piece. It's not like a burning sensation. You can actually enjoy something like this and you're not like, oh, why am I eating this? And you can go from there. I'm not a huge spice person, but I mean, I can easily eat this and actually kind of enjoy it. Let's have another one. Yeah, pretty good. I give an easy 2 thumbs up for these things right here. It's actually really good. I even think that Juicepress ships them. You can go online and they're only like $5 a piece. So if you're not into like humongous spice, if you want a little bit of kick, this is definitely a thing to go. It's actually pretty good. You know, I was expecting it to be probably a little bit hotter than what it is, but I mean, it's rather more enjoyable. I mean, super simple. I don't know the Scoville or anything on this, but if you want to buy Casey's face with some spicy stuff in it, check out some stuff below. This stuff is selling like fire for them, no pun intended, but it's really good. Definitely go check it out and get good wings. Don't get horrible wings. Go out there, go to a really good place and get some good wings to enjoy hot stuff on. And once again, that show was amazing. Casey killed it on that. If you ever watch this video, don't know if you will, but this right here is rather good stuff. And that'll pretty much wrap out today's vlog video. I accomplished everything I needed. I'm eating food right now. I got a new camera bag. What better could I want? Thanks for watching. It's actually getting a little hotter as it's sitting, but keep on eating. The eyes are burning just a little bit. It's a nice burn. It is a pleasant burn though, so don't let that be too much of a deterrent. No, heat's broken in my apartment too, so this should help.